Hey there, campers! Here's how to get charms in Outbound. Charms are decorative items that you can hang from your camper van's rear view mirror. You can only obtain them at this location right here. It's marked by the yellow icon, and you can only get to it after you repair and go across the wooden bridge on the starting area. Before heading there, make sure to collect some bottle caps from key locations or from water bottles scattered around campsites. Once you arrive, you'll find a vending machine called Cap and Snap. Approach the machine and pick up the free bottle cap from the bench to its left. To get a charm, simply interact with the yellow knob on the lower right side of the vending machine. Each time you use the machine, you'll receive a random charm. If you want to collect more of them, you'll need to return with additional bottle caps you've gathered during your travels. To equip a charm, set up camp, and open the build menu. Go to the Decor tab and click on the heart icon to view your available charms. From there, select the charm you want to use and attach it to your camper van's rear view mirror. Since only one charm can be displayed at a time, be sure to pick your favorite, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.